Are you struggling with solving exponential equations without doing any mistakes? In this video, I am going to cover how to solve an exponential equation with step-by-step method in the easiest way. Let's solve the problem. Solve for x. 2 for x is equal to 8. So here the key idea is very simple. If the bases are same, we can equate the powers like a power m which is equal to a power x. So bases are same. So we can equate the powers, right? So m is equal to n. So same as it is, if you write the expression like the base is same, so we can equate the powers. So first write 2 power x. Then if you think of this 8, here the base is 8. So we should write 8 in the form of 2 power something. So we can write this as 2 power cube, right? Then here the base is same, can we equate the powers? Then x is equal to 3. Is it right? Yes. So let's level up the question and it's more interesting. So here 2 into 4 power x which is equal to 32. So don't multiply this. You don't have any of the row. So in that case what you have to do? So keep 4 power x as it is and here we have a multiplication. These two will comes to denominator, right? So 32 divided by 2, right? Then 2 ones are 2 6, right? So 4 power x is equal to 16. Here we have a 4 base. So we should write 16 as 4 power something. So how we can write 4 power x is equal to 4 square, right? Now the base is same. Can we equate the powers? Yes. X is equal to 2. So like this we can solve the exponential form of equations for x. Let's level up the equation. Solve for x. 4 into 3 power this is equal to 972, right? So if you have the numbers like this, see if you observe, this is in the form of multiplication. If you take to this side, it will comes to denominator, right? So write as it is this exponent 3 power 2x plus 1 and 972 over 4, right? And divide this. See 4 2s are 8, 1 remains, 4 4s are 16, 1 remains, 4 3s are 12. If you have a smaller number, we can write as like 3 cube, 3 square like that. But here you have a 243. It's like somewhat bigger number, right? So don't worry, you just go with the prime factorization method. See, if you observe 243, so it is divisible by 3, right? So start with 3 only. See, 3 8s are 24, then 3 1s are 3. Then 3 2s are 6, 12 remains, 3 7s are 27, then 3 9s are, then 3 3s are, then 3 1s are. So this 243 can be written as 3 power 2x plus 1. So this 243 can be written as 3 power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 3 power 5. So here also you need to remember, so always if the power this side is 3, you should write this number as 3 power something. So then only you can solve the equation for x, right? So again here the base is same, we can equate the powers. 2x plus 1 is equal to, then 2x is equal to, here plus is there, if it comes to the side negative, 5 minus 1. So 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s. So x is equal to 2. Is it right? So it is not that much of big problem, right? So your turn, solve for x. 5 power x is equal to 125 and drop your answers in the comment box. Let me see who get it first. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family and subscribe for more maths like this. See you in the next video. Till then, keep calculating and keep practicing.